Okay, hello students. In this very short video, I want to teach you about numbers. So this one is 325,846. So when you see this number and then you see the digits in the place in the correct place values, right? So we have the hundred thousands, 10,000s place value, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, because these are 6 digits over here. And then what is the value for each digit? Let's just write it down. This one is see here, three in the hundred thousands place. So this one, the value for this is 3 times 100,000 become 300,000. Okay, this one 2 in the 10,000s place means 2 times 10,000 become 20,000. And then this one 5 in the thousands place, this one 5 times 1,000, this one is 5,000. And then 8 times 100 here, 800. 4 in in tens place value, 4 times tens become 40. And then 6 in the ones, 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, so let's write down the words here. Okay, now we finished with the writing of the words. You see, right, 300,000, you just put 300,000, 20,000, you just write 20,000, 5,000, you just 5,000, 800, 800, 40, 40, 6, 6, right? So, if you see this one, you see the very thick line over here. This is just the thousand separator, right? You see, you can see also in the comma here in our number here. So when we write down the full sentence, later you can see it. Yeah, we have the comma separator. This one, you see the thick line here. Okay, let's just write down the full sentence. Okay, now I have finished with the sentence. You see, 325,000. You see, I just combine the words here. 325, right? 325,000. See, this one it belongs to the thousands. 325,000. You see, you have the comma separator here, the thousands yeah, separator. You see the comma here, and then the next one is 846 and 846. So that's how we write down uh, the the full sentence. Right? You see the value of each digit, and then please also remember to see the place value for each digit so that you know the value for each digit. Okay, let's move to the next example. Okay, the next sample is on 400 and 1000 and 0 and 28. Right, so just put all the digits in the right place values, and then you can see this one 4. And then let's just write down all the values first. Okay, this is 4, 4 in the 100,000 place, right? This one is become 4 times 100,000. This one become 400,000, right? And then 0 times 10,000. This one is 0. Just write down the 0. And then this one 1 in the thousands place, in the 1,000s place, just 1 times 1,000 is just 1,000. And then 0 in the hundreds place is just 0 times 100 is 0. And then 2 in the tens place, so this one 2 times 20, 2 times 10 and 20, and then 8 in the ones, 8 times 1 become 8. Okay, so let's write down the words again here. Now, okay, I have written everything for the, the value in words, right? This one 400,000, and then this one 1,000, 0, 0, I just do not write anything over 0, and then this one 20, this one 20 and 8, right? So let's just write down the full sentence again here now. Okay, now so I've just written the full sentence, which is I just combine this one 401 and 1, right? 401,000. Okay, you see the separator here, and then usually we must use the comma in the sentence also, right? But this one is a special case. You see, when you see the hundreds is 0, right, then you do not need to use the comma, right? But immediately you just write, say, the numbers behind this one. Okay, so the number behind the hundreds over here is 28, right? So just and 28. So you just, rather than just use the comma here, which is you don't need to write down the comma here, but immediately just write down and 28. Or if this one is 0, then you just write down 8, right? So that's the rule how to write the numbers in full sentence. Okay, Let me show you another one. Okay, the next example, I just write down the values first for each digit. Okay, and then I just let me write down the words also. Okay, now I have written all uh, the value in words, right? And then let me write down in full sentence. Okay, as you see, this one is the full sentence. So 820,000. 820,000. You see this the thick line here, and then you see the comma here. Right? Same with the comma here. You see, right? Now we need to write down the comma because in the hundreds place, it's not zero, right? Because it's not zero, we need to write down the comma, and then you will have the 400 here and 7. Okay, let's see another one. Okay, this is the number 701 then 050, and then put all the digit in the correct place values, and then we just write down the values again. Okay, these are the words for the values. Right. Let me write down the full sentence. Okay, this is the full sentence. You see, 701,000. This is 701,000. Okay, usually we use comma, right? But right now you see again, this one the hundreds is 0 here, so we do not use the comma. Instead, we just immediately write down and 50 here. The other numbers here, right? Okay. Okay, this is the last one. Just see, I just write down everything, the digit in the right place value, and then the value for each digit, and then the words for each values over here, and then I just combine it into a sentence. It's 850,000, right? 850,000, and then you see the thousand separator here. When you check the hundreds place here is 0, then we do not need to use the comma, and then we just write down the and 7 here. Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, this is the last one. Just have the numbers and then just write down in full sentence, right? And then you can see again this one. We all, since you check when this is the numbers in the hundreds place is not 0 here, and then that's why you have the comma, 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 and then the number, right? The description of the number. And then but in here you see the last 3 examples here. In the hundreds place, all the digit is 0 here, and then you can see also here there is no comma here over here in the sentence, but immediately you can see the and. Yeah, so that's how we solve the problem. Okay, so I hope this explanation will be helpful for you, and then I hope you can learn this one better and better. Okay, see you.